Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to change bottom color in Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, make sure to head over in here on your online store in the Shopify dashboard and you should be able to see your themes. Now in here, click on the customize option. And then as you can see right here, this will open our Shopify editor. Now let's first take note what will be the color of our buttons. So as you can see, we have these things right here. So here's some buttons right here. And this button is actually transparent. So you can also edit out this particular button that we have right here. And on this button that we have, you can actually edit it out however you want it to be. So just head over and then edit out what things you want. So in here also on our product page, we have in here some buttons that we can choose from. As you can see, this button is color black. Now, if you want to change the color of that, you can head over in here on the second icon, which is the theme settings. And in here, you should be able to see this option for buttons. So click on that, and you should be able to change in here the button borders right here and all of these things. Now, what we should do in order to change the color is to head over in here on our theme settings, in here on a section, where you can also just head over and click on a specific thing. So in here, you should be able to see the scheme. So click on change right here and you can change the color scheme that you have for this. As you can see, this change into white. And in this blue thing right here, it will change into white as well. So you can also edit it out however you want. So for example, let's click on this edit right here. You have here the background, but what we can do is we can head over and click on this solid button background. So let's click on this right here. And for example, you want to change it into red. So you can click on red right here, and as you can see, it will change just like that. So you just need to apply this particular color scheme to your whole theme and you should be good to go. Once you're done with that, save the progress and you're done. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.